legislatures. So we've said all along the court needs to clarify its precedent, and it needs to create a workable system for legislatures to be able to do their jobs and comply with the Constitution, and to draw maps that can have predictability and stability for our states in their congressional representation. That's not what's been happening with the jurisprudence in this area. And so whatever they do, we hope that it will result in better clarity and better instructions for legislatures. I'm going to let my
of Louisiana. I think what you heard and saw today in the courtroom was a bench that was fully aware of the difficulties that the states have been in under the court's voting precedents. If you know Louisiana's story, you know that for the past couple of years, we have been struggling to find a map, a congressional map that satisfies the court's precedents. It's been extremely difficult. We argued it once earlier this year. We're back here. And what I told the court at the podium is, look, at the end of the day, we really need clarity. The states need clarity on how they're supposed to comply with the Voting Rights Act and with the Equal Protection Clause. I think at the end of the day, that's what we're hoping the court will give us. And the court was extremely engaged. I mean, a 2.5-hour argument.
About the future of Section 2, we feel confident that if the court relies on its precedent, if it continues to have a commitment to the 15th Amendment and to this project of multiracial democracy, that it will rule in our favor. There has been no change in conditions or the law since it decided Allen versus Milligan a mere 28 months ago, where the court reaffirmed the constitutionality of Section 2, where the court rejected many of the specious arguments that our opponents have asserted on this second argument of the case. And so we feel very confident that the law is absolutely on our side. I want to take a moment of ensuring our democracy. And while we are fighting for the rights for black voters in Louisiana and across the country to have an equal opportunity to participate in our electoral process, that win is a win for democracy. It is a win for all Americans. It is a win for the rule of law. And that is why we fight, because we believe in the future of this country, and we believe that black people have a right to be part of it and to self-determine who will represent them and to be part of the future of this country. And that is what Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act secures, and I'm happy to take